Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're about to embark on an epic journey to the land of the rising sun. Get ready to explore Japan in 2025. From the neon-drenched streets of Tokyo to the serene temples of Kyoto, we're diving deep into the heart of Japanese culture, cuisine, and adventure. We'll uncover the best places to visit, share insider travel tips, help you budget like a pro, and introduce you to some mouth-watering food recommendations. Plus, we've got some fun and useful facts about Japan that will make you appreciate this incredible country even more. So, buckle up, get ready for an unforgettable adventure, and make sure to subscribe for more travel content. Welcome to Tokyo, where futuristic wonders meet ancient traditions. Stand at Shibuya Crossing, the world's busiest intersection. Ascend Tokyo Tower for breathtaking views. Visit Sensoji Temple in historic Asakusa. Wander Nakamichi-dori Street for traditional crafts and snacks. Tokyo is a street food paradise. Enjoy ramen, sushi, melon pan, and takoyaki. Your taste buds will thank you. Next, we journey to Kyoto, the ancient capital of Japan, and a city steeped in history, spirituality, and breathtaking beauty. Prepare to be captivated by the ethereal allure of Fushimi Inari Shrine, with its thousands of vibrant red torii gates winding their way up the mountainside. Each gate represents a prayer or a wish, creating a truly magical atmosphere. We'll then immerse ourselves in the zen-like tranquility of Kinkaku-ji, the Golden Pavilion, its shimmering reflection mirrored in the stillness of the pond. And no trip to Kyoto would be complete without a stroll through the enchanting Arashiyama bamboo grove. As you wander beneath the towering stalks of bamboo, sunlight filtering through the leaves, you'll feel a sense of peace wash over you. And while you're in Kyoto, be sure to experience a traditional tea ceremony. It's a meditative ritual that will deepen your appreciation for Japanese culture. Get ready for a burst of energy and flavor as we head to Osaka, Japan's second-largest city and a culinary powerhouse. Osaka is a city that knows how to have a good time, and its vibrant nightlife is legendary. We'll dive headfirst into the heart of it all in Dotonbori, a dazzling entertainment district where neon lights illuminate the night sky and the air is thick with the aroma of delicious street food. Prepare to be tempted by the sights, sounds, and smells of this culinary wonderland. From steaming bowls of okonomiyaki, savory pancakes piled high with your choice of toppings, to the iconic kushikatsu, deep-fried skewers of meat, seafood, and vegetables, Osaka is a street food lover's paradise. And of course, no trip to Osaka would be complete without a visit to Osaka Castle, a majestic symbol of the city's rich history. For a touch of modern entertainment, head to Universal Studios Japan, where you can experience thrilling rides and immerse yourself in the world of movies. Chapter 4. Hokkaido, Winter Wonderlands and Natural Splendors. Calling all nature lovers and adventure seekers. Our next stop takes us to Hokkaido, Japan's northernmost island, a land of dramatic landscapes, pristine wilderness, and world-renowned winter sports. In the winter, Hokkaido transforms into a magical winter wonderland, blanketed in pristine snow. Here you can carve your way down the slopes at some of the world's best ski resorts, experience the thrill of snowmobiling, or simply enjoy the tranquility of a snowy landscape. But Hokkaido's beauty extends far beyond its winter scenery. In the warmer months, explore the shores of the mesmerizing Blue Pond, its ethereal blue waters a sight to behold. And for a truly rejuvenating experience, immerse yourself in the healing waters of Noboribetsu's hot springs, surrounded by stunning natural beauty. And don't forget to indulge in Hokkaido's culinary delights, from the freshest seafood to the region's famous dairy products. Chapter 5. Okinawa Island Paradise and Cultural Treasures. Get ready to soak up the sun and experience a different side of Japan as we journey to Okinawa, a tropical paradise known for its crystal-clear turquoise waters, pristine beaches, and unique Ryukyu culture. Imagine yourself relaxing on the white sands of Emerald Beach, the gentle sea breeze whispering through the palm trees, as you sip on a refreshing drink and let all your worries melt away. Okinawa is a place to unwind, recharge, and embrace the island lifestyle. But it's not just about beaches. Explore the majestic Shurijo Castle, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that was once the royal residence of the Ryukyu Kingdom. Dive into the underwater world at the Churaumi Aquarium, home to whale sharks, manta rays, and a kaleidoscope of marine life. And for a fun-filled day for the whole family, visit the Okinawa World Theme Park, where you can experience traditional crafts, performances, and even explore a limestone cave. Chapter 6. Hiroshima, a city of peace and remembrance. Our journey takes us to Hiroshima, a city forever etched in history. Here we'll pay our respects at the Hiroshima Peace Memorial Park, a poignant reminder of the devastating atomic bombing and a testament to the enduring spirit of humanity. The park is a place for reflection, remembrance, and a call for peace. We'll visit the Hiroshima Peace Memorial Museum, which documents the events of that fateful day and the aftermath of the bombing. It's a sobering but important experience. And as we explore Hiroshima, we'll also witness the city's remarkable resilience and its commitment to a peaceful future. We'll visit the iconic Hiroshima Castle, also known as Carp Castle, which has been rebuilt and now stands as a symbol of the city's rebirth. And for a change of pace, we'll take a ferry to the nearby Miyajima Island, famous for its floating torii gate, a truly mesmerizing sight. Chapter 7. Nara Deer, Temples and Ancient Wonders. Get ready for an encounter with some friendly faces as we head to Nara, a city where adorable deer roam freely in parks and temples. Nara Park is home to over 1,200 wild sika deer, considered sacred messengers of the gods. You can interact with these gentle creatures, even feeding them special deer crackers sold throughout the park. But Nara is much more than just deer. It's also home to some of Japan's oldest and most impressive temples. We'll visit Todaiji Temple, one of Japan's most famous and historically significant temples, and marvel at the sheer size of its Great Buddha Hall, which houses a massive bronze statue of Buddha. We'll also explore Kasuga Taisha Shrine, known for its thousands of bronze and stone lanterns, creating a magical atmosphere. And as we wander through Nara's historic streets, we'll be transported back in time to the days when it was the capital of Japan. Chapter 8. Fukuoka. Ramen, markets, and modern marvels. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds in Fukuoka, a city renowned for its delicious Hakata ramen, bustling markets, and modern attractions. Fukuoka is a city that seamlessly blends tradition and modernity. We'll start our culinary adventure by diving headfirst into a steaming bowl of Hakata ramen, known for its rich pork bone broth, thin noodles, and customizable toppings. Trust me, once you've tasted Hakata ramen, you'll understand why it's legendary. Next, we'll immerse ourselves in the vibrant atmosphere of Fukuoka's local markets, where you can find everything from fresh seafood and local produce to traditional crafts and souvenirs. And for a taste of Fukuoka's modern side, we'll head to Canal City Hakata, a sprawling shopping and entertainment complex designed to resemble a city with canals running through it. It's a shopper's paradise and a great place to find unique souvenirs. Chapter 9. Nagoya Castles, Cars and Cultural Gems. Next we journey to Nagoya, a city where history, industry and culture intersect. We'll step back in time at Nagoya Castle, an impressive structure that played a pivotal role in Japanese history. Explore its towering main keep, admire the intricate details of its architecture, and imagine the lives of the samurai who once walked its halls. Nagoya is also a hub for Japan's automotive industry, and car enthusiasts will be in their element at the Toyota Commemorative Museum of Industry and Technology. Here you can trace the evolution of Toyota from its humble beginnings as a textile company to its present-day status as a global automotive giant. And for a dose of spirituality, we'll visit Atsuta Shrine, one of Japan's most important Shinto shrines. It's a place of peace and tranquility, where you can offer your prayers and learn about Shinto beliefs. Chapter 10. Mount Fuji, Ascending to New Heights. Our Japanese adventure culminates with a journey to the iconic Mount Fuji, Japan's highest and most revered mountain. Whether you hike to the summit or admire from afar, Mount Fuji is awe-inspiring. The climb is strenuous but rewarding, especially at sunrise. Prefer to stay grounded. Explore the Fuji Five Lakes area. Visit Chiredo Pagoda for breathtaking views framed by cherry blossoms. Experience the beauty of Mount Fuji, a special place in Japanese hearts. And that concludes our whirlwind adventure through Japan. From the bright lights of Tokyo to the serene beauty of Mount Fuji, we've covered a lot of ground. We hope this video has inspired you to experience the magic of Japan for yourself. Remember, whether you're a foodie, a history buff, a nature lover, or simply seeking new adventures, Japan has something to offer everyone. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your fellow travel enthusiasts, and subscribe to our channel for more travel inspiration. Until next time, safe travels and happy adventures.